Critical Environment Technologies is pleased to present the QCC Quad Channel Controller. The QCC is a versatile, field-programmable controller with exceptional functionality that offers 4 channel inputs from digital and/or analog transmitters for monitoring temperature, RH, and toxic, combustible, and refrigerant gases. It has a door-mounted audible alarm, an extensive menu system with several levels of password protection that allows for customizable configurations in the field to meet specific application requirements, a USB port for firmware upgrades, and if the optional analog output option is installed, the USB port can also be used for data logging. It has logic control and an LCD display with LED indicators for channel alarm status and fault conditions to provide you with the necessary monitoring information. The QCC has 6 conduit entry ports, and the standard water and dust-tight polycarbonate enclosure has a hinged secured door and is corrosion resistant. With the optional watertight door-mounted buzzer installed, it is IP54 rated and protected in washdown or water spray applications. The QCC requires a 90 to 240 AC line voltage power source and has 3 5-amp SPDT dry contact relays with field configurable time delays and trigger levels for control functions. The QCC has been designed to accept inputs from up to 4 remote digital and/or analog transmitters using a 4 to 20 milliamp analog input signal, or a standard Modbus digital signal, or a combination of both. It can communicate with a building automation system using the standard Modbus digital output signal, or it can be factory configured with an optional BACnet output signal depending on the requirements of the application. The QCC is available with a number of value-added optional features such as a top-mounted strobe, a manual shut-off switch, an analog output option that includes a data logger and 2 analog outputs usable for VFD control, and a watertight door-mounted buzzer. The QCC may be connected to several remote devices, such as a remote strobe horn combo, remote display module, and an LNKAO analog output peripheral device. The QCC controller is ideal for use in a wide range of applications. For example, in small to medium-sized car park or maintenance garage applications, the QCC with 4 remote gas detectors can be easily configured to monitor gas combinations of carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, propane, hydrogen, or methane, meeting the monitoring requirements of any parking facility. In wastewater treatment plants, the QCC with 4 remote gas detectors strategically placed in the areas that present gas hazards such as the gas storage room, ozone generator room, and water treatment areas will help ensure the safety of the workers, equipment, and facility. In an ice arena, the QCC should be mounted outside the chiller room door with a top-mounted strobe, continually providing a status of the gas level conditions from each remote transmitter in the potential hazardous areas such as inside the chiller room, the maintenance equipment parking area, and at ice level. Continuous monitoring of refrigerants in a chiller room of a hotel that has air conditioning may be set up with a QCC outside the chiller room door with 1 or more infrared refrigerant ART transmitters inside the room. The QCC should have a top-mounted strobe and a manual shut-off switch to comply with the B52 code. If a leak is detected, the ART will communicate with the QCC and the appropriate alarms, LED indicators, and relays will respond as configured. For any type of application, if a larger system is required, multiple QCC controllers can be networked together, each offering up to another 4 channel inputs and 3 relays. The QCC conforms to CSA C22.2, UL 508, EMC Directive EN 61010, and FCC Part 15. If you would like more information about the QCC, contact your authorized dealer, regional sales manager, or any member of our team at critical-environment.com or 1-877-940-8741.